The revenue process at EHL begins with a phone inquiry by a customer to the sales personnel. Prior to this, customers can retrieve online information regarding the latest promotions and price lists that are updated regularly. Through the phone inquiry, salesperson will check the customer's needs, such as whether they are resellers or end users, and the relevant materials they are inquiring about before providing a quotation accordingly. The product price list is stored in the company's SAP database system in their price master file, where the sales personnel can easily retrieve pricing information. Upon confirmation of the sales order, the sales personnel must check if the customer is an existing or new customer. New customers are required to fill in a credit application form consisting of qualitative and quantitative background information of their company. Existing companies are also subjected to assessment of their creditworthiness based on the data previously obtained and stored in their SAP database system. For credit limits of less than $200,000, the credit managers will approve the credit applications. Credit limits exceeding $200,000 will require approval from the President, Sebastian Chong. Customers who fail the credit assessment or are deemed to be of high risk will have their credit terms set as cash or check on delivery. Once the credit term is due for invoices where payment is still outstanding, the credit team will contact the customer and request for payment via telephone calls, faxes, or emails. The credit review procedures vary for different customers. However, to maintain customer goodwill, credit may be extended based on a detailed analysis of both payment trends and customers' relationship with EHL. Alternatively, EHL allows deferred payments on a case-by-case basis, and the credit department has the right to revoke the installment scheme. The credit department can also request for immediate payment of outstanding dues by the company in question. Upon sales order approval by the credit team, store personnel will print out the pick list and pack the goods accordingly. The store supervisor will then ensure that the goods are correctly packed. The delivery man must then check the goods to be delivered against the delivery order. The sales invoices are sent together with the goods, and sales is recognized upon issuance of invoices and delivery of goods. Both the sales invoices and delivery orders bear the same serial number. A physical stock is then taken twice a year. Upon receipt of goods, customers are required to sign and stamp on their copy of the delivery order and may keep the original invoice and delivery order. The delivery man then passes the duplicate copy to the administrative assistant the next day. For any returned goods, such as defective goods, the sales personnel will prepare a credit note memo. The authorized credit note memo will then be processed and submitted to the accounts assistant for processing and filing. All checks sent by post will be received by receptionists and recorded in the mail record book. The accounts assistant collects the checks from the receptionist daily. Checks collected during deliveries are directly submitted to the accounts assistant and attached with the return delivery order. The administrative assistant verifies the delivery orders and checks before passing them to the accounts assistant to prepare receipt vouchers for the following day's bank-in transaction. Cash payments from customers are handed to the accounts assistant and recorded in her trade collection book. The accounts executive then count and check the accuracy of the total amount as recorded in the trade collection book before it is banked in. Daily cash collections are kept in a safe located in the Financial Controller's office. Only the Chief Financial Officer, Financial Controller, and the Accounts Assistant have access to the safe. The accounts receivable ledger is posted once the checks are cleared. The Standard Chartered Bank will then fax a copy of the daily bank statement to EHL the following day, and the accounts assistant updates the customer account accordingly. The customer sales order transaction is completed here. This summarizes EHL's revenue process.